Hey guys, welcome back. So today we got Kemi Moto sent me a gift. So we're gonna do an install on this, and I hope they make more of the exact same product for the inside the doors and everything. This is the bags for the middle. So pretty nice bag. So it's got the carbon fiber look, same thing as inside with the seats. So it blends right in, so it makes it nice to go in between. It's got 2 zippers. It's pretty solid. There's paper in here. Let's shed some light on this. So that's what you got inside. So you got a Velcro here, and you can put either your phone or some stuff in there, and then that's it. So we'll install it. See how easy it is to install. It's got a grip too, so you can walk around with it if you got stuff or whatever. Seems to have these little tie things here, so you probably could put a ring key on it on each side to keep your keys or so. So basically, this is a simple process. Just open your door, slide one seat forward with the other side, open your door, slide your seat forward, come here, grab it, yank it out. Simple as that. Throw it on your tire. So let's hook this. It's got 2 hooking, so it's just hard plastic. So we'll do this without cutting the camera. Oop, don't want to drop it. Okay, so you hook up the bottom and then hook up the top. So basically tucking it towards you. It's going to be a tight fit. Oh, I missed it. And that's it. So just pull the bag in towards you. Pop it back out if you got a belly that imprinted it. And that's it. So basically hooked onto here, hooked onto the bottom. Center it as nice as you can. There we go. With both seats pulled forward. Tighten up your hole at the top and push it in. Slide your seats back. It all clears nicely. Doesn't touch at all. I'll back up the other seat. Yeah, so I don't know. Getting in here, easy to access the zippers, easy to access, bends right down, throw your stuff in there. I believe you could put 3 bottles of water wide in the bottom and put some snacks, put your cell phone in there. It's waterproof to a certain extent, like if you go under the water, well, but you're good till up here in the bikes in the side-by-side, so that's pretty good. So just wanted to give you guys an easy one. So Kemi Moto for the X3, they make a bunch of accessories. They're pretty nice, their accessories. I find they're pretty nice. So if you guys are looking for the part number on this, there it is. Yeah, check out their website. I'll put a link below to the website. So just wanted to give you an easy one. If you guys are interested. I find they're the ones that, the Can-Am ones with the soft material and all that. I find that anything that's like a bag or, that I hope they make door bags exactly the same way as this, and the overhead bag the same thing. And if they do, that's what I'm getting, because the materials, they like the dirt and everything likes to jam in there. And this stuff is just like stuff that's on your seat. So, and it's got carbon fiber. Easy to clean, right? So, I don't know. Me personally, super nice. Happy to have it. And thanks for watching, guys. So, Kemi Moto for the center bag storage. And yeah, it's pretty awesome. So, we'll see you on the next one. Please subscribe. And thanks for watching. And we'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now. Hey guys, if you're seeing this, well, you're watching till the end, right? And we'll give you a little extra bonus. So for everybody wondering how many cans fit in there, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can fit 7 cans, yeah? 7 cans, no problem. So that's what fits in there. And also, you guys are wondering about, like, I got a snorkel kit. I'm not going to use that, my original clip, but with the snorkel, this is the back piece you got, right? So what I'm doing is Velcro tape, Velcro tape, the one that's got on both sides, and I check the fitment to sit it down there. It's actually pretty nice when it sits on there, and this is raised up this higher. So basically, it's gonna be a little tad higher, not much, probably just, and it fits. The back is like a solid material, like a harder, like plastic, so it's gonna stick real good to it. So you can't worry, you just Velcro it off. And so people with snorkel kits, good to go. You don't have to worry about that. So thanks for sticking to the end. And we got something else from Kemi Moto. So stick around for the next video. We're gonna do an install. So bye for now, and greatly appreciate you guys sticking to the end. Bye.